Hey guys, it's Master Barry from Brills Karate. All right, we're gonna have a really awesome project. All right, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make your very own practice nunchucks. All right, so some of the things you're gonna need 2 paper towel rolls like this. All right, grab two of these. You're gonna need string, and you're gonna need some tape, and probably something to put a holes into the cardboard. I have a little hole punch and a pair of scissors. All right, so now what you do is cut a piece of string, which I've cut already. And what I want you, or actually no, get your clipper first. What I want to do is put some holes in this. Now, what I want you to do is to put a hole like that. You see my little hole? And then on the same thing on the other side. I try to make it exactly on the other side of it. Makes it balanced. Okay, there's number 2. There we go. All right, now what you're going to do, and if you need to like do anything, just obviously pause the video as you need. Now what I want you to do is put the string. Now, I don't know if I just said this or not, but always when you cut the strings, make them much bigger than you need, because you can always trim it later. It's annoying when when it's too short. So like, just cut them longer than you think. All right, so what I want you to do, so your string looks like that. All right, so from here so you can see. All right, and put a knot in this, a nice strong knot. Don't make it very big, like sticking out. Yeah. And one more just to make sure I'm doing double knot it. All right, then cut your scissors and just kind of trim off the extra string from here. Okay, there we go. And then what you do is just like, see how the knot is on the outside, just kind of hide it. So put it inside. So it just makes it look nicer like that. All right, so you have the one end like this. All right, so what I want you to do is to take your tape. All right, and what you're gonna do is we're gonna wrap the tape all around. What it does, it helps to make it stronger. The tape is not absolutely necessary at all. It just makes it so they'll last a lot longer. So what I want you to do is, and you can also use like the other kind of tape too, like you just put it on the top where it holds like the string in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my tape so it kind of holds the strings in place, and also so it doesn't like rip the cardboard, like the string, as you're swinging it. All right, just do this one a few times. There we go, and just kind of pinch it down. There you go. And what I like to do is to make it, like I said, the whole thing stronger, is just put tape on the whole entire thing. It'll hold it together and it'll last longer for you. So just kind of roll that tape up. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just put as much or as little tape on you want. It won't change anything of the quality of your nunchucks either. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that is one side. Now do the same thing to the other side. So you have 2 of them, which I, fortunately for all of us, have done that already. So I have my 2 ends like that. All right, so now what you want to do is take one of the strings and put a knot on one of the ends. Remember, make the string a little bit longer than you think, because you could always trim it. All right, then put a couple of knots in it. Try to make it so it's in center. So like the knot is in the center of it. The best you can. Okay. Put a couple of knots in, it'll stay longer. There we go. Okay, that's one. Okay, that's good. Now what you want to do is you want to make it about like, so they're about 5 or 6 inches away from each other. Something like that. I don't know if you could tell like distance wise. So right now do the other side, so I can kind of get an idea how far they are from each other. See, I'm kind of like pulling it so I get the look. So just like look at the nunchucks, like see how far the ends are with each other. So if it's too close, it won't work as well. And it's not exact either, so don't worry about it. Just have fun. All right. Okay, it's one knot. And then I want to do it like 3 times. And I'll cut the extra string to make it look pretty. this guy. All right, and there we go. Then we have our nunchucks, which is not easy to do on a desk. You can kill yourself. All right, so have fun with the project and have fun. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.